How many languages you know?
Yeah, actually, I can speak three languages. Hindi, Bengali, because Bengali is my mother tongue, and Hindi I know second language. And English I can speak a little bit. You can say. Okay, so you are ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, actually, I know you, and also you know me something. But actually, today we will discuss from pastly. So, can you say something about yourself? After that, I will say, and we will discuss something.
Yes, my name is Bhupendra Patel. I am from Madhya Pradesh, and I born and brought up in Madhya Pradesh. And but currently I live in Mumbai. I am doing job in private sector, and my hobbies are doing yoga and watching, listening, and reading English content on social media like YouTube and Google, Facebook. That's all
Okay, so
about.
very good. Okay, okay. So let's start my introduction. After that, I will say something.
Okay.
Okay, so actually, as you know, my name is Varun and I am from West Bengal. Now, actually, I'm a student. I'm studying college. I'm studying BS in Physics honors, and now I am learning this language because of actually in future I will study a government exam, so that's why it will be helpful. And also, it's actually global language. I think if I learn this language, so I will connect on the world. So that's why actually I'm learning. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah, yeah. English language is everyone or everybody is it is a very significant language. Without
Yeah, yeah.
English
Nowadays,
nowadays we cannot survive because now
yeah,
we are connected. We are connecting globally. You can say
yeah. Right, 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 right.
if you have any plan, if you want to do business, so it is significant to learn English language because without English language we cannot communicate with any means uh, any other people.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have
Right, right, right.
know about English and Hindi language. Yeah.
Okay, so you are working on like a private sector.
Yes.
Okay, so what kind of work you are doing?
My work is mainly my work is I'm working as a maintenance engineer. My responsibility is there. I handle I maintain spare parts of machine and I resolve the troubleshooting of machine and I also responsible for maintenance of machine like preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, schedule maintenance, plant maintenance. So we can handle whole of the machine. Uh, if you can say I'm master of machine. I'm doctor of
Okay, so
machine.
very good.
Yeah,
Okay, great.
yeah,
Okay, so
and
okay,
and
you are
also
working on private sector, and why you are thinking you should learn this language? And yeah, I think you are using in English language in your company.
in my workplace there we cannot using English language but in my head office most of the people it you can say it there is must English language without English uh, nobody can talk with me you can say
Okay.
so
Okay.
that's
By the way,
why
actually,
I'm learning English language. English is my passion now. You can say, without English, I realize in private sector I cannot survive.
yeah, yeah, right. You are right. Actually, I want to know something related spoken English. Actually, how to practice your spoken English, or what kind of practice you do every day. And if I do that type of practice, so can I improve my English or not? And what kind of topic we should practice every day for English speaking?
Yeah, actually, bro. 3 months back, I scrolling on social media like YouTube, and I found one professor video. His name is Dr. Sumita Roy. She is earlier she is you can say professor in Usmania University.
Yeah, yeah,
So
right.
I inspired by that video. After watching that video, she given on that video. They have given uh, one technique like LSRW. First, L means listening, and second S means speaking, and R means third R is reading, and last one is writing. So after I follow, but I cannot follow writing, which because it is a difficulty for me. You can say writing part is difficult for me. So I follow only three parts: listening, speaking, and reading.
Okay,
On in
speaking part, what kind of practice you do for speaking part?
speaking part, I join uh, those skill application. Apart from that, I practice on that application, and we can communicate, we can connect with easily. Whenever I have time, then I can call on application and connect with people and talk with any particular topic, and all over India we can talk. We can connect
Okay.
with.
Okay, so when did you study in your 1 to 12 class? That time, which medium you did study?
Actually, bro, in my schooling time, you can say YouTube and Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. You can say WhatsApp and YouTube. It is not popular. You can say it's not. It was not available at my schooling time. Only at that time only available Google and Facebook. But at that time, mainly people they are at that time mainly people using for entertainment Facebook.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they did not use for learning purpose. So that's why you can say nowadays technology is very good for our learning purpose, our enhancing anything, so we can learn anything easily.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Right, right.
yeah.
Okay,
And
so
earlier, whenever in my schooling time, I you can say I did not suggest me. You can learn English language. You can learn. You can follow that technique, so you will become fastly. But I recently now I realize we can easily learn English language. We can realize English is language. Not English is not earlier. I realize I was knowing English is subject, but now I realize English is language.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, right, right.
Yeah. So that's why we can connect easily via social media, and like you, I am calling with you by Skype application, and we can create environment of those who want to learn English language. So we can learn easily. You can say, yeah.
Okay, okay. When did you stay? When did you start? Sorry, when were you starting speaking? That time, what kind of problem you did face? When did you start your speaking journey?
Yes, bro. 3 months back, I'm honestly saying, I cannot make one sentence or talking. On talking, I cannot able to. I'm not able to speak one sentence on English language. Yeah, but consistently, I'm doing practice. I'm not feeling I'm doing mistake. I'm doing. I'm not shy, hesitate right now. But in whenever I started my journey, uh, first video and first calling, I first you can say uh, 10, 10 calling. Now I was agitating. I was shy during conversation. Yeah, but nowadays my confident level is improving day by day and developing our communication skills by learning, while
Okay,
reading, talking, and watching. If you have
okay.
any interest, you have interest, so you can Firstly, you can listen, you can watching, listening, and reading. Then you can automatically vocabulary automatically comes to my mind, and we can communicate with them easily.
Okay, okay, it's very good.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And I want to because my hobbies, my you can say I fond of yoga. So I want to, after learning English language, I can teach. Uh, I can teach online, or uh, those who did not know Hindi language. So we can touch. We can talk. We will talk, teach with them easily.
Okay, so I want to know how many language do you speak?
Actually, bro, my mother tongue is Hindi, and uh, English is my second language. And some little bit I understand Marathi language because I am living in Maharashtra. So that's why I understand Marathi language. You
Oh,
can say 50% I understand, but I cannot speak because I'm not doing practice on Marathi language.
okay.
Marathi is easy, but I'm not doing practice, so that's why I'm not means fluent in Marathi language.
Yeah, yeah, right, right, right.
Yeah,
Okay, it was a very interesting story.
yeah, and so yeah, you want to become government officer,
Yeah, you can say.
okay? Because in government, for your opinion, which job is very you can say which job is good or bad?
Actually, in my opinion, if I talk about job, so government job or private job, actually both is very good. Actually, if I talk about government job, so government job is a secure. Actually, I can say security. Yeah, actually,
Yes, bro.
yeah, yeah. And private job also. If you want to do private job, so you can also become a successful man. So it depend on person actually. Yeah, I
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
twice actually.
Some person want to security. Some,
Yeah.
some person want to security. So government job provide security, and government job, private job not will not provide security.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can say private job is better than government job. We can better than government job
Yeah,
because
yeah.
private job we can easily quit job, and after 5 or 6 years, when I can say, when I did not I don't feel this good, this job is good or bad, then I quit job, and also we can choose, we are choosing for our uh, like, means reason, you can say
Mhm. Yeah, yeah,
which
yeah.
reason you want to doing job, you will which reason you want to doing job, so you can easily uh, quit the job in
Yeah, yeah,
private
right.
sector.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, but government job, if you select, you doing hard work, and after you selected, then uh, you don't want to quit job
Yeah, yeah, right,
in
right, right.
government, because during means after doing hard work, we are selected government job. They don't means uh, people, they don't want to quit job, don't want to quit private job.
Yeah, yeah. Right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, these are benefit. Okay,
And
so yeah, yes, yeah.
I think now you are outside.
Yeah, actually, now I live at, you can say, my village. Actually, I camp my village.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Basically, actually,
the
I am from village, but I live in hostel, so that's why, because of study.
okay, are you living in hostel?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so in hostel, private hostel or government hostel?
No, it's a private hostel. You can say, actually, it's not a hostel. I can say it's a rent house. Actually,
Okay, okay. For your
yeah,
preparation purpose.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So how many member do you live with? Are you living single?
No, no. Actually, we live two people, my friend and me,
Okay,
in a
that is
room.
very
Yeah.
important because if you are not feeling good, you suffering from fever, then you help your friend.
Yeah, yeah. Right, right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's why actually.
Yeah. So
Actually,
and
yes,
yeah,
sir.
okay, okay, okay. Continue.
No, no, say, no problem.
Uh, how many languages you know?
Yeah, actually, I can speak three languages. Hindi, Bengali, because Bengali is my mother tongue, and Hindi I know second language, and English I can speak little bit. You can say, yeah, three
Yes, now
languages I know.
you can speak and you because English is a language. If you communicate and in front of any person, if they are understand, then you can say my English is good because English is communicate for means media of communication.
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
Yeah. You talking and I'm understanding what things, what idea, or knowledge to share. I can understand easily. Then you can say
Yeah, yeah.
English is good.
hmm
Yeah.
Okay, so actually our video is going long
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because
So
actually we have to
sorry.
upload. So that's why actually.
Okay. Could you wrap up the call? Yeah.
Yeah, of course, of course. Okay, so nice to talk to you, and again we'll meet.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for giving
Okay,
your time. Okay. Okay.
okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.